In a little town not far from here lived a cat with a story that you'll want to hear. Adventure awaits, so let's start right away. Join the cat and the bat on this wonderful day. There once was a cat with a shiny black hat who loved to play games on a cozy old mat. He wasn't too skinny, nor was he too fat. Just a happy old feline. Imagine that. One day as he sat by the door with a pat, he saw something tiny, a little brown bat. It flew in a hurry, and boy was it fast. The cat gave a chase. What fun to be had. They ran past a rat, and then past a flat, over to where the old doormat sat. With a leap and a pounce, the cat caught the bat, and they tumbled and rolled, ending with a spat. The bat was okay, just a little bit flat, and the cat gave a smile, saying, "About that." The rat gave a chair, the mat gave a chat. Let's all be friends, and they all took a nap. So now in the town where friendships are at, the cat and the bat sit close on the mat. With the rat and the mat, they all have a chat, living in harmony. Just think about that. So next time you see a bat or a cat, remember their friendship and think about that. Words can be fun, like a game or a hat. Keep rhyming and smiling. Now, how about that? Here are the words to learn in this poem. Bat, cat, fat, hat, mat, hat, rat, sat, chat, flat, spat, that, what?